Uhuru, friends and comrades, this is Jackson with another Daily Reparations Life Hacks with Jackson. Thank you so much to tuning in to this Reparations Challenge, a campaign by the Uhuru Solidarity Movement. I am making YouTube videos as a fundraiser for the Black Power Blueprint, and other people are doing fundraisers via, yoga, via, I did one on a Harry Potter night, whatever you like to do, you can turn into a fundraiser for reparations for the Black Power Blueprint. And so now I want to show you my life hack that I'm sharing with you today, and that is to warm your spices. So right now, if you can see here, I have some rice and spices and arugula and kale and sunflower seeds. And what I did was I took some coconut oil, you can use other oil if you want, and I put it in this pan here, and I put it on low, and I warmed up the spices, the turmeric, and I put some cayenne in there, and some other ones, and by warming them up, it can help release some of the flavor, it can release some of the nutrition content even, and you want it on low so they won't burn, because then that isn't good for you. But it also helps with digestion. And then I poured it on top of the rice here, and I stirred it in, so now you see like the turmeric has made the brown rice, more of that turmeric color, and it looks delicious, huh? So I definitely recommend warming your spices first, and then pouring the oil over it. So you warm it in oil, put it over, and you can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil. You want to use one of the healthier oils, those healthy fats are good for you. And you can use less oil if you want. For me, I get really hungry fast if I don't have more healthy fats in my diet, so I try to incorporate some of that through healthier oils. So I definitely recommend warming your spices in oil and then pouring it over your food and stirring it in and getting more nutrition that way, more flavor that way, and helping with your digestion. So if you liked this hack, or even if you just support reparations, go to uhurusolidarity.org. That's UHURU solidarity.org. Click on the big red button of Pay Reparations and put in the comments that is for Daily Reparations. Thank you so much for tuning in, and Uhuru.